Welcome back to another Twisted Disney Tutorials. Today, it's Cinderella time. Or should I say, Sinisterella. Now, without wasting any time, let's look for a page. Ah, this one right here, I see potential. Since our Sinisterella is into dark magic, so let's decorate her table with voodoo dolls and such. While Lady Tummaine catches her, sees her picture at the altar. Yeah, I think this will gonna turn out great. Let's zoom and begin. We want our Cinderella to have her creepy signature long smile. Drawing out some face details as well. Here's where we're gonna keep Tummaine's photo. And this is where the skull is going to sit. First, let's conceal her eyebrows so we can make our own. I'll be using yellow as the base color for her mouth and expanding her jawbone according to her mouth. Oops! Let me tap that real quick. Lucky the pages was glossy. Time for mouth details. Let's start with her lip line, separating her teeth. She looks horrible. Okay, let's trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Why my whites always give up so easy? Does that happen to you? Lucky I have a backup. I outlined her teeth with some dark brown, and with the same color, I'm gonna give some details. We want her teeth to look ugly. Some under eye bags and depth around her eyes. Our Sinisterella's eyeballs are black, so hers have to be black. Oh my god, she looks like a psycho kidnapper. I'm gonna keep doing her hair. Her hair looks horrible. Let's blend it with a cotton bud. We want our Sinisterella to be holding Lady Tummaine's voodoo doll. Wait, let me fix her hair first. Nothing really works on a glossy book. I guess it has its perks and problems. Maybe some details can save us now. Back to the doll. I hate glossy paper, but sadly this is the only Cinderella book I have with good pictures to work with. So yeah, we're gonna do this. Time for our signature skull and candles. Details on everything is a must. Can't forget the demon signs. A screaming Tummaine. Time for Tummaine's photo. Guys, this paper is testing my patience.
2 hours later.
She might not look like Tummaine, but you guys know that we tried, right?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Changing the story. Now my clingy little fluff ball is being naughty here, like the glossy paper wasn't enough. Excuse me. Some space, please. And voila! How did you guys like it? Like, subscribe, and do comment on which Twisted Disney process you want to see next. Thank you for watching. Take care.